Hey everyone, is your transmission giving you sudden jerks, harsh shifting, or getting stuck in gear? If you've scanned your car and found trouble code P0869, transmission fluid pressure TFP high, then you're in the right place. Ignoring this issue can damage your transmission and lead to costly repairs, but don't worry. In this video I'll explain what P0869 means, its symptoms, causes, and, most importantly, the exact sensor locations to help you fix it fast. Let's dive in. The P0869 trouble code means that the transmission control module TCM has detected excessively high transmission fluid pressure. Automatic transmissions rely on a balanced hydraulic pressure system, and if the pressure is too high it can cause harsh shifting, overheating, or even internal transmission damage. Common symptoms of P0869: harsh or delayed gear shifts. Check engine light, cell, or transmission warning light limp mode. Stuck in one gear, whining or hissing noises from the transmission, overheated transmission fluid with burning smell. Now let's get to the most important part, sensor locations. To properly diagnose P0869, check these critical components. Transmission fluid pressure sensor TFPS. Location, usually mounted on or near the transmission valve body, inside or outside the transmission case. Function, monitors fluid pressure and sends signals to the TCM, transmission control module TCM. Location, typically mounted near the transmission housing or in the engine bay, close to the firewall. Function, controls transmission shifting based on fluid pressure readings. Transmission pump and valve body. Location, inside the transmission case, accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth gear engagement. Transmission fluid cooler and lines. Location, cooler lines run between the transmission and the radiator. Function, ensures transmission fluid remains at a safe temperature and pressure. Common causes of P0869: overfilled or wrong transmission fluid. Too much or incorrect fluid can cause excessive pressure buildup. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor TFPS. A bad sensor can send incorrect high-pressure readings to the TCM. Blocked transmission lines or valve body. If passages are clogged, pressure can spike unexpectedly. Failing transmission pump. A malfunctioning pump can overpressurize the system. TCM software or electrical issues. A corrupted TCM can misinterpret pressure readings and cause shifting problems. How to fix P0869? Step 1. Check the transmission fluid level and type drain and refill if necessary. Always use manufacturer-recommended fluid. Step 2. Inspect the transmission fluid pressure sensor TFPS. Use a multimeter to test voltage, replace if faulty. Step 3. Examine the transmission lines and valve body. Look for blockages or restrictions, clean if needed. Step 4. Check the transmission pump functionality. If it's overpressurizing the system, consider replacing it. Step 5. Scan for additional transmission codes. Related codes might provide more clues. Step 6. Update or reset the TCM software. A dealership or advanced scanner can help reset the transmission control module. The P0869 trouble code means your transmission fluid pressure is too high, which can cause harsh shifts and potential damage. By checking fluid levels, pressure sensors, and transmission components, you can diagnose and fix the issue before it gets worse. Watch these related videos next. P0604, Control Module Random Access Memory RAM Error. P0605, Internal Control Module, Read-Only Memory ROM Error. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.